Today in this video we are converting iron metal into iron oxide. So let's start the video. Chemicals. Distilled water, sodium chloride, iron electrode. Take a beaker and add 400 milliliters of water in it. Now add 5 grams sodium chloride or table salt as an electrolyte. On an anode made of iron, some of the removed electrons may be used oxidizing iron metal to ferrous iron ions, or oxidizing iron ions. Ferrous iron ion solutions are a pale green, but rapidly oxidize in air to vivid red-brown ferric iron. 3. Iron oxides and hydroxides form precipitates and slimes in a variety of colors including black, magnetite, red, iron, 3, oxide, and yellow, iron, 3, hydroxide.
5 hours later.
Now filter the solution.
Later.
Now heat it at 300 Celsius to decompose it into iron oxide.
1 hour later.
After removing it from aluminium foil, I crushed it into fine powder of iron oxide. Thanks for watching.